Hi, welcome to the Online Jewelry Academy. I'm John R. and I'm your instructor. Today I'm going to show you how to use a tube cutting jig. Now, most tube cutting jigs look like this one here. It has several different components to it. There's a small screw-in lever right there which controls the stop, which can be moved in and out. Okay? There's also this little lever on the top which allows you to place an object inside the trough, pull this over, and then when you move to the bench pin, I'm able to hold the handle underneath and use my thumb to hold the material that's inside. Then, when I want to cut, I'm going to use the saw going into the gap that's right here to make the cut. Now, whenever you're cutting tubing, remember, you're first cutting one surface that will then break into two surfaces. At that point, you need to adjust your grip just slightly. You may have to give a little bit slighter tug, and then eventually it'll go back to being one surface and you've made the complete cut. Now, what I really want to show you is how to set the stop. To do that, you're going to need a pair of calipers, and I have a pair of digital calipers right here. So the first thing that I want to do is I want to turn on my caliper. There we go. And making sure that the calipers completely shut, I want to hit the 0 button to zero it out. Now, let's assume that I want to make a 12 millimeter cut. I'm going to set the caliper to 12 millimeters. So there's 12 millimeters on the caliper, and I don't want to use this end of the caliper, I want to use the top. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to position one end against the groove, and I will bring the stop, let me loosen the stop a little bit, I'll bring the stop up to it. So if I come up just like that, then I have exactly a 12 millimeter gap. So I can lock the stop down. I'll be sure to turn off my electronic caliper so I don't run the battery down. And now I can place the tube cutting jig on top of the bench, put my material in, hold it, and cut it out. Now listen as I cut. There's the 2. You can see it grabs a little bit. Okay. So I have my 12 millimeter cut. Now let me double check it. I should have exactly a 12 millimeter cut. I hope you enjoy using your tube cutting jig. Check out our other videos and products at theonlinejewelryacademy.com. Thanks for watching.